Hello everyone. We have reached a turning point in the AI roadmap. In 2026, enterprises are moving away from AI experiments and into autonomous remediation. Today, let us look at three critical use cases where agentic AI is solving high-stakes issues in the enterprise environment right now. First, zero-day threat response. In the past, when a security breach occurred, it took hours for a human team to isolate a threat. Today, companies like CyberArray are using agents to process over 10,000 alerts a day. When a critical threat is detected, an AI agent does not just send an alert, it autonomously isolates the infected server, rotates the security keys, and drafts a full forensic report for the CIO, all in under 60 seconds. Second, autonomous cost control. Cloud waste is a billion-dollar problem. Enterprises are now using agents to manage live budget enforcement. If a developer accidentally spins up a massive unoptimized cluster that threatens the quarterly budget, the AI agent intervenes. It evaluates the workload, suggests a cheaper instance type, and if no action is taken, it autonomously scales down the resource to protect the company's bottom line. Third, self-healing infrastructure. Imagine a global payment system goes down. Instead of waiting for an engineer to find the bug, an agentic system built on Azure AI Agent Service instantly analyzes the logs, identifies the failing container, and triggers a rollback to the last stable version in Azure Kubernetes Service. So, how do you implement this? On Azure, the architecture is clear. You use Azure OpenAI for the brain, Microsoft Fabric to give the agent access to your real-time data, and Azure Logic Apps or functions as the hands to execute the fix. The goal for 2026 is simple. We want a cloud that does not just tell you it is broken, but a cloud that fixes itself. Are you building self-healing systems yet? Let me know in the comments which critical issue you want to solve first. Do not forget to like and subscribe to VVHIT Solutions. See you in the next one.